Hello friends, welcome to Bentu Gang, and the manager to tell you some tips and tricks of Galaxy A5 and A7 2017. So let's start. Here you can see it comes with a premium design with the Gorilla Glass 4 on front and a 3D curved glass on back. So I highly impressed with its design. Now let's see some tips and tricks. First, game launcher. So here you are getting a game launcher. By game launcher you can manage all your games in a single folder like this. Also you are getting a game tools option. By game tools you can lock your back and recent key, also record your gameplay in high quality. So here you can see how it works. Tap on the logo and lock recent and back key, and here you can see my back and recent key is not working this time because I locked them by game tools. Also you can record your gameplay in high graphics. Here you can see how it works. Tap on the record button to record your gameplay. Let me tell you some settings about recording. So here you can record your own image, your own video, your own expression during gaming. Also you can record your game sound directly without using a microphone. So this is a very unique and great features. You can record your gameplay in full HD resolution 920x1080. You can play your video anywhere, any application after making a pop-up. So here you can see how it works. Tap on the pop-up button and here you can see I can play my video anywhere on the screen. You can also resize this pop-up, and not only your phone video, you can also make a pop-up of your online video. So great features. Now multi-window. In A4 2017 you are getting a split multi-window, so you can use two apps simultaneous without any problem in A4 2017 like this. In A7 2017 you are getting pop-up multi-window, so you can make pop-up of any application which support multi-window. So it's also a great features. Motion wallpaper. In A5 and A7 2017 you are getting motion wallpaper. On tilting your device it will work like a 3D hologram. You can download wallpaper, you can download themes for your device. So this is not new, but in A7 and A4 2017 you can also download icons for your device. So this is new and unique and a great feature. Always on display features. It's a highlight features of A5 and A7 2017, and here you can see my device is locked, but I can see my time, I can see my notification. My device will behave like it is on lock mode, but I can see my time and notifications. Fingerprint sensor of A5 and A7 2017 is highly accurate. It's not fast. Here you can see my device is unlocking after some times. Put your application on sleep mode. So after putting your application on sleep mode, your particular application will not consume your battery and all notification will be stopped of that application. So it's also a great feature. Blue light filter. In A5 and A7 2017 you are getting blue light filter. So if you are facing any eye problem during operating a smartphone, you can use these features. S secure mode. In A5 and A7 2017 you are getting a secure mode. By a secure mode you can lock and hide your application. Also you can use public Wi-Fi without any problem because here you are getting secure Wi-Fi features. Also you are getting secure folder. By secure folder you can hide your image, you can hide your video and any content. Also you can use two profile of a single application, like you can use two WhatsApp, you can use two email and two email, two gallery. So this is also a great feature. Use menu search icon to search application. Use notification search icon to search anything from device. Also you can search Play Store and Galaxy apps from menu icon. Adjust your torch brightness. It's not unique, but it's a part of tips and tricks. You can adjust your torch brightness according to your use. So excellent features. In A5 and A7 2017 you are getting S4 planning mode. By S4 planning mode you can reserve your battery for calls, you can extend your battery time, and you can also forward your call when your device doesn't have battery. One hand operation. Turn it from advanced features and press home key 3 times to reduce your screen size, and here you can see you can use your device with a single hand without any problem. Also you are getting quick launch, smart alert, panic mode and easy to mute. And here is a demo of palm swipe to capture. Swipe your palm over skin to capture a screenshot. So that was some tips and tricks of A5 and A7 2017. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.